Friends, here is a nice problem. We have to solve this equation. We are given 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 plus 5 minus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 is equal to 10. X is in powers. Right. Now we can see some similarity here. Here also x square minus 3, here also x square minus 3. Another similarity is 5 plus 2 root 6 and 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 and 5 minus 2 root 6. These are conjugates. That means their product is a rational number. So one of them we can actually express in terms of other. Right, 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is a rational number. And what will that become? That becomes 5. This is in the form of a plus 20 a minus b, right? That becomes 5 square minus 2 square into 6. That is 25 minus 4 into 6, which is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. Right. For example, 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is 25 minus 24, which is equal to 1. That means 5 plus 2 root 6, we can write it as 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6 or vice versa. 5 minus 2 root 6, we can write it as 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Right. Now what we do, because we can express 1 in the form of other. 5 minus 2 root 6, we can write it as 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6, right? Let us put it that way. Right, this 5 minus 2 root 6 will replace with 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Then this expression will become 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 by 1 plus again 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3. This entire part, let it be y. Let it be some, let us call this as y. Then this expression becomes y plus 1 by y equals 10. What is y? Y is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3. Because this is easier to solve, right? Y plus 1 by y equals to 10. That becomes a simple quadratic equation. Let us do that. Y plus 1 by y equals 10. This becomes y square plus 1 equals 10y. That is y square minus 10y plus 1 equals 0. So the roots would be irrational. Minus b plus or minus b is minus of minus 10, which is 10 plus or minus b square minus 4ac. That is 100 minus 4 into 1, that is 4 by 2. That is 100 minus 4 is 96, root 96. Root 96 is what? 6 into 16. Right. 6 into 16, that is, we can 6 into 10 plus or minus root 96. That is, 96 is 6 times 16. That is, this whole by 2, 10 plus or minus, this is 4 root 6 whole by 2. This becomes 2 will cancel here and here. This becomes 5. This becomes 2. That becomes 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. That is our y. 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. That is our y. 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. But what exactly is y? Y is in fact this one. 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3. Right. This expression 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x minus 3 is equal to 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. That means this one is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 or this one is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. For that we have to solve what is the x which gives this. Right, 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3, which is y, is equal to 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. What does that mean? Either 5 plus 2 root 6 or 5 minus 2 root 6. What does that mean? What is 5 minus 2 root 6? 5 minus 2 root 6 is again 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Right, that means 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power x square minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 or 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6 is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power minus 1. That means what? X square minus 3 is either equal to 1 or x square minus 3 is either there is equal to minus 1. When x square minus 3 is equal to 1, what does that mean? X square is equal to 4 and x is plus or minus 2. When x square minus 3 is equal to 1. When x square minus 3 is equal to minus 1, what does that mean? X square is 3 minus 1, which is 2. That means x is plus or minus root 2. So we have 4 solutions for this expression. That is plus or minus 2, plus or minus root 2. Very simple one. We just explored the similarity in the problem. 5 plus 2 root 6 and 5 minus 2 root 6. These are conjugates. and product of them is actually equal to 1. So we have expressed one of them in terms of 1 by the other one. 5 minus 2 root 6 is 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. Then we replace this expression with y. Then we solve the quadratic equation. Then we realize that this part is actually equal to 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. Right guys? Very simple problem. Finally we solved is using very simple quadratic equation formula only. We got 4 solutions, plus or minus 2 and plus or minus root 2. Hope you guys like this. Thank you.